Everyone, I hope you're good. I didn't post any lessons in the past almost 10 days now because I had to leave London, come to Lebanon and sort out some family matters. But yalla, now I'm back. I was doing a 30-day challenge with you on Instagram and on YouTube, but I had to stop it and I had to give up either my Zoom lessons with my students or my 30-day challenge with my students. So I decided to just pause my 30-day challenge on YouTube and come back to it. But anyways, I'm going to put this lesson here on Instagram and I'm going to teach some sentences that I'm going to write later on in the video. And I'm going to put it also in the 30-day challenge playlist on my YouTube. Before I begin, I want to say hi to whoever is joining, including Elias and Cynthia. My sister is coming now. She's going to be typing the sentences because if I try to type here and paste, I was able to paste it. So these are the sentences that you're gonna be learning, and I'm gonna pin it as a comment so you can look at them while I'm teaching them. Okay, so before I begin, I want to let you know that I do 30-day challenge courses with my students on Zoom. Of course, 30-day Lebanese Arabic challenge courses. There are levels all the way from absolute beginners to advanced. And also, if you need flexibility and you really want to do the 30-day challenge, you also have the opportunity to do the 30-day challenges on your own, because now I have them as pre-recorded courses. So you get the benefit of doing the 30-day challenge with flexibility and lifetime access to tons and tons of material. So if you're interested, I'm going to also leave my email address. Hi Alloush. Yalla, let's begin. Today I'm going to teach some sentences that can be a little bit like pointless or repetitive. You will understand why. So let's begin by just saying, how do we say go out in Arabic? Go up in Arabic. We say tla, go up. Okay? It's an imperative verb. So when I say to Ali, for example, tla, he will understand it means go up. And if I want to say it to Elsie, I will say tla'i, go up, tla'i. And if I say it to a group of people, I have to say tla'u. Guys, it's in my comment, in the pinned comment, so you can look at them. Tla'u. So tla', tla'i, and tla'u. They all mean go up. But when you say sometimes to someone go up, you actually say tla' la fo'. It's like you're actually saying go up, la fo', to up. So it's like you're saying it twice. So you can just say tla, or you can say tla la fo. But most of the times in the Lebanese dialect, we say it together. We say tla la fo, go up to up, okay? Or tla la fo, go up to up. And as a group of people, if you want to say it to a group of people, you say tla la fo, go up to up. Okay, it's repetitive, but we just do it. We just say it this way. Now, I also wrote here أنا طالع or أنا طالعة. It's a participle. It means I am the goer up. طالع, the person who goes up. So when I want to use it in the present continuous and I want to say I am going up right now, I say أنا طالعة. أنا طالعة, because in my case I'm not a guy, but if you're a guy you have to say أنا طالع, I'm going up, and you specify أنا طالعة لفوق. I don't know, maybe I'm in the street and I'm going up to my flat, I say أنا طالعة لفوق. Okay, I'm going up to up. Okay, we use both of them together. Thank you so much. And if I want to use it in the past, I just say طلعت, أنا طلعت. Or I can also say أنا طلعت لفوق. I went up to up. Okay? Yeah, say them out loud with me. Don't just, I'm listening and whatever. If you're here to learn them, you have to say them out loud. And when you finish the lesson, of course, you can even sit down and write them. Okay? So let's repeat. If I'm using it to say to someone in the imperative form, go up, I say طلع لفوق. In the feminine form, I have to say طلعي لفوق. In the plural form, I say طلعوا لفوق. And if I'm saying I'm going up now, I say أنا طالع if I'm a guy, or أنا طالعة لفوق, I'm going up to up. In the past, I say أنا طلعت لفوق, I went up to up, literally. Now, this is about going up. When I want to say go down, we also have a verb for it. We say نزال. نزال, it means go down. But again, we specify. In Arabic, it's like in the Lebanese dialect specifically, we say go down to down. Okay? نزال لتحت. تحت means down, لا تحت means to down. So when I say نزال لتحت, I'm literally saying go down to down. نزال لتحت. In the feminine form, guys, you have them here written in front of you. Remember to look at them and say them. So نزال لتحت, go down to down. Or in the feminine form, I can say نزالي لتحت. نزالي لتحت, go down. And in the plural form, I say نزالو. In the plural, نزال in the singular بالمفرد, نزالي بالمؤنث in the feminine, نزالو بالجمع in the plural. نزال لتحت, نزالي لتحت, أو نزالو لتحت. Okay, so if I want to say again, I am going down, so أنا نازلة. I can just say it like that, or أنا نازلة لتحت. I am going down to down. Okay, it's repetitive. It doesn't make a lot of sense, but that's how we say it. أنا نازلة لتحت. If you're a guy, you have to say أنا نازل لتحت. You're using again نازل, the participle. It literally means goer down, the person who goes down. So I'm basically saying I am the goer down to down, which means I'm going down. أنا نازلة لتحت. And as a guy, you have to say أنا نازل لتحت. In the past, you say أنا نزلت. أنا نزلت لتحت. أنا نزلت لتحت. So yeah, let's repeat. I'm gonna be repeating them. Look at the sentences here in front of you and say them with me. We will repeat. I'm going up, I'm going down, okay? Or go up and go down. So the imperative verb of go up. طلع لفوق, go up to up. طلعي لفوق in the feminine form, it's go up to up. طلعوا لفوق, go up to up. If I don't know, maybe I have kids and they're playing in the street and I want to tell them يلا خلاص, enough playing, come up. طلعوا لفوق. Okay? Now, if I want to use it in the present continuous, I have to use a participle and I have to say I am the goer up. أنا طالعة لفوق. If you're a guy, you have to say أنا طالع لفوق. Hi, Eddie. And if I want to say it in the past, I say أنا طلعت لفوق. I went up to up. Literally, أنا طلعت لفوق. Now, about going down, I have to say to people in the imperative form, نزال لتحت, go down. نزالي لتحت, go down to down. Feminine. نزالوا لتحت, go down to down, literally, in the plural. If I want to use it in the present continuous meaning, I have to use a participle. I have to literally say, I am the goer down. أنا نازلة لتحت. I'm going down. That's how it translates. If you're a guy, you have to say أنا نازل لتحت. And if you want to use it in the past, you can say أنا نزلت لتحت. Or just نزلت لتحت. The أنا is optional. نزلت لتحت. I went down to down. You can of course use it without لتحت, but it's much more common to use it with لتحت. The third one, which one did I write the next, is yes, okay. The next one is to say to someone, go inside, okay? Food literally means already go inside. It's the imperative verb. But you can also specify by saying go inside to inside. Food لجوا, because جوا means inside. لجوا means to inside, literally. So when I say to someone فوت لجوا, I'm saying to them come inside, but I'm literally saying go inside to inside. فوت لجوا. That's in the masculine form. فوت لجوا. In the feminine form, you have to say فوتي لجوا. فوت لجوا to a guy, فوتي لجوا to a girl. فوتي لجوا, come inside. Go inside to inside. And to a group of people, if you want to use the imperative verb, you have to say فوتوا لجوا. فوتوا لجوا. You plural, come inside. فوتوا لجوا. In the if you want to say that now I'm going inside, using it in the present continuous sense, again we have to use the participle. I have to say I am the goer inside. أنا فايت if you're a guy. أنا فايت. Or أنا فايتة with a T مربوطة if you're a girl. Again, you can specify. You can say أنا فايت لجوا. You're literally saying I am the goer inside to inside. You see how much sense it makes? So أنا فايت لجوا. I am the goer inside, which means I'm going inside. I'm going inside. And أنا فايتة لجوا in the feminine form. And in the past, you say فتت. أنا فتت or just أنا فتت لجوا with لجوا, which means I went inside to inside. أنا فتت لجوا. Guys, they are written here. Just look at them while I'm saying them. Okay? So let's repeat. Go inside. فوت لجوا if I'm saying it to a guy. فوتي لجوا if I'm saying it to a girl. And فوتوا لجوا to a group of people. And if you want to say I'm going inside, you say أنا فايت لجوا. The أنا, of course, is optional. Or if you're a woman, you have to say فايتي لجوا. فايت لجوا, masculine. فايتي لجوا, feminine. And if you want to say it in the past, you say فتت لجوا. I went inside. You're literally saying I went inside to inside. And the final one, the fourth one, is about going out. We use also the same structure. We have to say go out to outside. Okay? So we have the verb dhar, which means go out. Dhar. Okay? But I can specify dhar la barra. Barra means outside. La barra means to outside. And when I say dhar la barra, means go outside to outside. Dhar la barra in the masculine form. In the feminine form, I have to say dhare la barra. Dhare la barra. Dhar la barra. Dhar la barra. Usually when I say to someone dhar la barra, a lot of times you would be like, you don't want to see them. Dhar la barra, you're angry or something. Or dhar la barra. And in the plural, you say dharo la barra. You plural go outside. Dharo la barra, to outside. So dhar la barra, masculine. Dhare la barra, feminine. And dharo la barra in the plural. And if you want to say I'm going out, you have to say I am the goer out. You have to use a participle again. You say أنا ظاهر. أنا ظاهر in the masculine. In the feminine, you have to say أنا ظاهرة. أنا ظاهرة. I am going out. But you can specify أنا ظاهر لبرا, to outside. Or أنا ظاهرة لبرا. When it comes to ظاهر or ظاهرة, it can also mean like I'm going out tonight, For example, if you call me and say شو عاملة, what are you up to? شو عاملة? I will say ظاهرة. ظاهرة, I'm going out. Okay? It kind of implies that I'm going out to a place, maybe like dinner, clubbing or something. Okay? So, again, dhar la barra, dhare la barra, dharo la barra. These are the imperative masculine. Saying dhar la barra, dhare la barra, and dharo la barra. These are the imperative forms. مذكر, مؤنث, وجمع, masculine, feminine, and plural. The present continuous meaning should be used with a participle, which literally means I am the goer outside. أنا ظاهر لبرا if you're a guy, and in the feminine form you have to say أنا ظاهرة لبرا. I am the goer outside. Literally, I'm going out to out. If you want to use it in the past, you can say أنا ظهرت لبرا. أنا ظهرت لبرا. I went outside to outside. أنا ظهرت لبرا. Also, maybe if you lose a game, you can say أنا ظهرت لبرا. هاي زيتونة. أنا ظهرت لبرا. Or أنا ظهرت, like I left the game because you lost. It kind of implies you lost. أنا ظهرت من الماتش أو ظهرت من الجيم أو ظهرت لبرا. Just I went outside, literally to outside. Okay? So as I said, you have them here written, the sentences or the verbs we were learning today. I'm gonna quickly just repeat the imperative forms. And if you want to learn the whole thing again, you can watch the lesson after, because I'm gonna post it in my IGTV. So as I said, you can say in the Lebanese dialect or in Arabic, but in the Lebanese today, I'm in my lessons I only focus mostly on the Levantine dialect or the Lebanese Arabic dialect. So طلع means go up. So when I say طلع لفوق, it means go up to up. By the way, I can also use طلع when I use it with لبرا. Hi, Envelito. When I use it with لبرا, it can also mean go out. I can say dhar لبرا, and I can say طلع لبرا. طلع also means go up, but it can also mean go out when you use it with لبرا. Okay, so let me just repeat what I was just saying. طلع لفوق, literally you're saying go up to up. طلعي لفوق in the feminine. طلعوا لفوق, go up to up in the plural. Now, the opposite is نزل لتحت, go down to down. Or انزلي لتحت in the feminine and انزلوا لتحت in the plural. So you're specifying, it's not making a lot of sense maybe in English because you don't have to repeat it twice. But in Arabic, the verb itself is telling you if it's go up or go down. And then you're specifying, you're putting the to outside or to inside or to down. Now, the next one was فوت لجوا, literally go inside. لجوا, to inside. In the feminine form is فوتي لجوا, and in the plural form it's فوتو لجوا. And the last one was go out, is ظهر لبرا. You're literally saying again, go out to out. ظهري لبرا in the feminine, and ظهروا لبرا in the plural. So yeah, that's it for today. I just wanted to give you a quick taste of the strange things sometimes we use in the language, how repetitive we can be, or sometimes how something won't make sense in a language but it will make sense in another language. So these were the 4 verbs that I wanted to explore today. As I said, I'm gonna leave this video in the IGTV so you can watch it later on, and I'm gonna put the sentences and the verbs we learned under the video. If you have any questions, you can type them in the comment box. Also, before I go, I want to let you know that I run 30-day Lebanese Arabic challenge courses with my students on Zoom. We study together every single day, 1 hour and a half, for a period of 30 days. But if you need flexibility, again, you can do the 30-day challenge on your own. And I have them as pre-recorded courses right now, so you have the benefit of really immersing yourself in a challenge, but at the same time be flexible and have lifetime access to the videos, the material. There's lots of materials, plenty of audio material, plenty of notes, plenty of PDF files. So it's something like, really, I really think it's a treasure. Okay? Yalla, I hope you enjoyed the lesson, and thank you for whoever was watching here. I just say hi to all of you, and I'll see you tomorrow. Yalla, bye guys.